Here is my home page. Now I'm going to my profile. There's my profile. I put an about me, why I want to get in shape. My progress is on here. Now I'm going to go to my friends. Right here, I have one friend right there. Now I'm going to go to my goals. As soon as it loads, I have some custom goals. Let's try this again. I'm gonna go to my goals here. This way. There we go. Now you can see my goals all on here that I've made. Now I'm gonna go to my exercise diary. Here are some exercises I did running for cardio. And strength, I did abdominal crunches. Now I'm going to go to my food. Here are all of my foods. This is the custom food that I made right here for lunch. And my favorite lasagna for dinner that I made the custom recipe. Let's see, I'll show the recipe right here. Right there. This is the recipe that I made. And let's see the settings.
Oh my gosh, as long as it's not infinity inside, it's not divergent. This is what I think would be really cool.
Right here, the settings. For sharing is locked with a key. And apps page is right there.